How to do Janu Sirsasana. Let's understand the meaning of Janu Sirsasana. Janu is your knee, Shirsa is your head, and Asana is a pose or posture, also known as head to knee pose. What are the benefits of this pose? A very effective pose to lengthen your spine. A very effective pose to give a flexibility to your whole back of the leg, specifically your hamstring muscles. Who should avoid doing this pose? The people, those who have lower back pain, sciatica pain, slip disc, those should avoid doing this pose. So let's start. So we'll use a blanket. Make sure your blanket should have good thickness. It should not be thin. More important, on the top or on each corner, it should be evenly spread, not uneven. Now you are taking your buttocks on the blanket. Make sure you are moving your hip muscles out. Sit evenly on your sitting bones. You are flexing your foot. This is your Dhanurasana position. Kneecaps are lifted. Thighs are well engaged. Be more firmness in the whole body. From here, you are moving your left foot out towards the left side. Pull the foot towards you. Make sure the sole of the foot touches your inner thigh properly. This foot should not be loose, and you are performing Baddha Konasana from the left leg. The groins needs to really stretch. The knee needs to go down. Again, come to the right leg. Pull the foot towards you, engage the whole leg muscles. Take your cup-shaped fingers, roll and open up the chest. Be more firm in the whole trunk area. You're not making it loose. From here, you extend your both arms up towards the ceiling. Again, keep pressing this leg towards the ground. The sole is touching the inner thigh properly. And with an exhalation, start to lengthen your spine maximum and reach your foot. You are staying here, rolling the shoulders. Shoulder needs to go outward, not into the neck or not into the ears. When you head into this position, lift the chest up, have a concave back, create a good lift, and with an exhalation, go down into Janu Sirsasana. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yoga tutorials.